Hello my friends, this is your friend Iggy back again. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a brief overview of the EVGA Geforce RTX 2060 KO Ultra Gaming, model number 06G P4-2068KR. Along the front over here we can see the KO Ultra right over here. We can see the card, some more marketing stuff along the side here, some features and specifications right along here, as well as the GeForce experience, more marketing here, system requirements along the bottom of the box, and the top, just some more marketing stuff here. Now I will have to state, I did an unboxing already, but there was no audio, so I'm kind of redoing it. So opening it up here, this would have been sealed, but again, I've already opened it. I have to slide everything out of here, and all right, so there's nothing else in the box here. The box comes with the Geforce GTX, Geforce RTX installation guide. Now, I'm going to make a video showing you guys how to install this, so you don't have to worry about this. All right, so this card is based off of NVIDIA's latest Turing architecture with real-time ray tracing support. Alright, and here we have the card itself. Now it does have a dual fan design, as you can see here. It does also come with a metal backplate, and it does look nice with the Geforce RTX 2060 right along here. We can see over here the fins, as well as the 8-pin PCIe connection. This does require an 8-pin PCIe to be plugged in order for it to operate. We can see along the front here, it utilizes HDMI 2.0B, DisplayPort 1.4, and dual link DVI. It's not very often you see this anymore, but it has it for you. Now, this will require 2 slots, even though it only physically takes up 1. It is a dual wide card. Now, this bad boy has a boost clock of up to 1755 megahertz with a 210.6 gigatexel fill rate, 6 gigs of 192-bit GDDR6 RAM at 14 gigabits per second effective, with 336 gigabytes per second memory bandwidth, 1920 CUDA cores. All right, it is a PCIe 3.0 bus type, not 4.0 just yet. It is HDCP compliant 2.2. Now, it does have 3 ports, and it does support 3 simultaneous displays with a digital resolution up to 7680 by 4320 at a max refresh rate of 240 Hertz for right now at least. As I did mention, it does support ray tracing. It also supports EVGA Precision X1, NVIDIA Ansel. It is G-Sync compatible, also compatible with the GeForce experience, GPU Boost, DirectX 12 Ultimate, Vulkan, and OpenGL 4.5. Now, as I mentioned, it does require an 8-pin, so it requires a 500 watt or greater, even though the total power draw on this card is going to be 160 watts, and it does bring 3 years of EVGA's warranty. If you've ever worked with EVGA on their support, they are awesome, second to none. Now, I am going to be going over the install, but do make sure you remove this little cover here. If not, you won't be able to get to these gold pins, which do not touch those. Then also this little protector right over here. Now, if you notice right over here, the fan blades, even though it kind of looks like it's wet, those are little teeny tiny EVGA logos, so it looks kind of cool there. Again, this is a dual fan design. Definitely prefer it over a blower style or a single fan. I would prefer a triple style, but then that would make the card so much longer. Now we can see here, the card is 8 inches by 1.5, 4 inches. So just make sure your case does support up to 8 inches of a case. All right, so again, I am going to be doing a lot more testing and actually some comparison that a lot of you guys have been asking me for. So now with all your support, I am able to do some comparison testing. And then of course, you're going to see a full review as well as an installation video showing you guys how to install it. But anyway, again, this is Iggy showing you guys an unboxing and a brief overview of the EVGA Geforce RTX 2060 KO Ultra Gaming. EVGA out. See you guys.